Sweet, that's very comforting to hear. Thank you. We're going to play an oldie now. Sort of an oldie. Oldie for us. Get a bit of a loud one.
Watch something about our time. Some people got themselves caught in the avalanche. Told me that she cried cause not many survived, but those that didn't die don't leave, came back with a happy. Went to town with earplugs full of bands and talked about a man who died wearing the anorak. Didn't know him well, but once when they were 12 she lent him 50p and never got her money back. Trying the night, I'm losing the fight to get better. Finish the fight, but stays on all the time. No one really reminds to they heard about Caroline. When it came to life that he stayed on all night. They wondered that it might be, but in him for overtime. Trying the night, I'm losing the fight. Yeah, yeah. I'm losing the fight.
Thank you guys.